Well guys, today might be the day that things are changing up a bit. Welcome back to the channel, Anderson. It feels like forever since I picked up the camera and got to be with you guys, so appreciate you being here. But that said, you guys know this thing has been for sale, and we have some potential buyers coming right now, actually very soon, from Portland. Oh, that's my phone right now, 1 second. So coming all the way from Portland, and they're interested in purchasing the ML63. I've had it listed on Facebook Marketplace for a couple weeks, and I did get a handful of offers as well as a few interesting trades that if I wasn't trying to downsize and focus on the other builds, there was one in particular that I probably would have done, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just trying to be practical, as dumb as that sounds with 8 Benzes in my driveway, but believe it or not, I guess that's my goal. So these two aren't going anywhere. This one's got to at least get finished before I decide what to do with it officially. I've contemplated selling that one as well, just because I know it could go for a lot of money, and it's more power than I've ever had in a car, and probably more than I ever need. But it's a really cool car, so I will have to make that decision when time comes. And yeah, ML55 is chilling. The other 2 cars are chilling, hoping to be turned into one in the next couple months. So this is gonna go. We're gonna use ML55 as our daily. It's bittersweet. It's not even sweet at all, to be honest. I don't know, it's very hard to let this thing go, but it's just, in reality, it's more than we need for a family vehicle, and life is short, so I try to have vehicles that are fun and fast, because it's fun to have a fast vehicle, but at the same time it's not everything. And we're trying to make some moves, and we'd love to find like a plot of land and have a shop and a house, so we're really trying to set ourselves up for that. And this is one of those pieces where it just makes more sense to let it go into somebody else's hands versus hang on to it. So that said, it's been wonderful to us, even with, you know, the few little things like the AC compressor. What else did we have? That's pretty much it. Was there any other problem I ever had with this thing? Oh, the weird like pixelated thing on the cluster, which went away on its own. That's it. It's been awesome, you guys, to be honest. Like, I'm a believer in the M156 now, for sure. The whole goal of this car, believe it or not, was to get familiar with the M156, because I would love, absolutely love, to manual swap a C63 one day. And you know, if a deal comes up for an early model that doesn't have updated head bolts, I want to be able to take care of that on my own before even doing the manual swap, just to have that peace of mind. And that's one thing about this car that really made it easy to just get in and go, was that peace of mind that I provided myself by doing the work that we did. The 63 Motorsports cam adjuster plates, the cam buckets upgraded, and then the head bolts and the ARP cam phaser bolts, the titanium 63 Motorsports bolts for the cam adjusters. We got motorsport hardware kit for the lug studs. We changed the brakes when I first got it. A lot of little things with like the lighting. There's a bunch of bulbs that we replaced. I resealed the brake lights. Yeah, like, just tried to keep it clean and make it as bulletproof as we could, because like I said, we did actually plan to keep this thing for a long time, but my wife just still liked driving the ML55 a lot more. And in all honesty, I prefer the feel of the body on frame of the 163 versus this. This is fantastic, don't get me wrong, and that may be confusing. You're like, wait, what? But I don't know, I just enjoy, like, the ML55 feels like a truck almost, like a really good handling truck, and just, I don't know, it's got a great feel to the drive. This also does, and they're just very different, but I overall, after experiencing them both for a considerable amount of time, I still like the ML55 just a tad bit more. So we love this thing. If it is the day, if buyers coming right now decide to go forward, I love this thing, very appreciative for all of it. all of its power and glory, and just, it's a really nice car. It's probably the nicest Benz that we've had out of the fleet, like as far as interior goes and just the comfortability of the ride, and it's been a great family vehicle for us. So I love you, ML63. Someday, maybe, who knows, maybe we'll meet again. Maybe not this particular one, maybe the same one, who knows. But it's a small world. Any car that I sell, I really like try to put it out there for whoever's buying it from me. If it's a car that I really don't want to sell, I always try to just throw it out there. Hey, if you ever decide to sell it, let me know. So all right, well, enough of the story time. This is a big moment for the channel. It's the first time I've ever sold a vehicle that has been a pivotal piece of all the videos you guys have seen on the channel. So yeah, it's a moment, definitely. So gotta recognize it, and I want to do that by showing you guys some of the highlights of my ownership of this fantastic ML63. Well guys, I guess this is a moment in history for the channel. Welcome to the newest ride for the channel. Alright guys, first time this guy's seeing the new truck.
I'm going in this one, please.
Oh, you wanna see? Here, give me the key. Where's the key? Look, press the button, look. Look. Is that cool?
Wow.
It's better that we get this solved. We did it! Woo! Big thanks to this guy for being the best mechanic out there, and the only way I would have confidence to do something like this. So, welcome back to Channel Anderson, guys. My name is Brooks, and this is my Race IQ tuned ML63 AMG. Might have a free playground tomorrow to finally test out this beast. It's locking up too. Sheesh. Okay. Well, I don't want to get too hopeful, but let's start it up real quick. And if we don't hear anything, holy crap, guys. Oh my. Yes! Yes, thank you. Oh my. All right, you guys, well, I told you I'd be back after the little paying homage clips. I'm with Lane here, good. Hayden, and Lewis. You guys have seen on the channel before, another local Benz head. Lane's gonna be the new owner of the ML63.
Yes sir.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling ecstatic.
Yeah, we went for some good rips.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just wanted to close out, at least give them a shout out. Thank you guys for coming up all the way.
Of course, anytime.
And I already told him if he ever sells it, call me first. And if he ever needs parts, hit me up too, because I'll help him out, find some good deals, or
definitely
any work you need. I'm always here to help. So yeah. All right, well, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, hit a few poses right now. There we go. It looks appropriate. The driver's door is open, but it still works though.
Hey, that's not YouTube friendly.
Oh man. Well, we're going from 8 to 7, guys. So,
so taking her.
it's acceptable. I don't. Yeah, going to good home. Gets to traverse the mountains.
Yep.
Yeah.
snowboard machine.
Yeah. All right, well, don't yell at me, guys. It's going to a good spot, and we got other things coming, so just be patient. Yeah.
Straight off the light.
Yeah.
We're gonna go down from 8 to 7 and then the 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. I know. Well, this will go 2 to 1. That'll get us down to 6 once this shell goes. Then we'll go back up to 9.
Yeah,
we'll just... All right, you guys. She's fired up, ready to go. Well, guys. Damn. All right. Peace. See you guys. Oh man. Oh. All right. It's cool. It's done. Whew. Don't be too mad at me, guys, but we got to keep evolving. Got to keep it shuffling, and got to keep learning, keep trying out stuff. So it's just part of the game. I could have kept collecting all cars and ended up with 30 here, but then what do? I'm not gonna have any time for any of them, so we got to try to manage as best we can, and it's going to a good home. So Lane, appreciate you, man. Hayden, Lewis, thanks for coming out and just helping the deal go smooth. And we were talking about it. I'll mention it to you guys. If you're selling a car or buying a car out there, just be honest. Like, it's not worth it to lie. You ruin somebody's time after they get it, and it's not what it's supposed to be. Like, just be honest. Be transparent. If the car's got issues and you don't want to sell it like that, fix it before you sell it. If it does have issues, tell all the issues. Like, I try to walk Lane and them through every little, like, bad thing that I knew about it, every little scuff, ding, anything like that. So just do that for your buyer. And if you're a seller or you're going to buy a car, try to make sure the seller is like that too. So that's it, guys. We're down to 7. I shouldn't feel too bad. We're down to 7. We got 7, so we're good. You're gonna see this before episode 6 of Benzin on a Budget, so it's coming soon. We're hopefully getting close, getting this thing back on 4 cylinders. We're gonna do some work on that to prep it a little bit. These are chilling. That is very close, so that's probably gonna be done. You're gonna see that video soon too. And these are chilling, so I'm gonna leave it there, guys. I'm a bit speechless, not all the way, but it's a weird feeling. I haven't felt this before. I haven't sold one of these cars yet. It's the first time, so it's a weird feeling. I hope I don't wake up tomorrow with panic, but even if I do, it's okay. It's going to a good home, and it's the right move for the channel, for my family, most importantly, and just got to keep it rolling. So much love to all you guys. Thank you again, watching, subscribing, being a part of this whole journey, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.